Well, I question here that say what team dey come kama say dey abre ye wi dwumadi na say e wo Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so make out say no kono pepepe game park for adaroma ye be kwa hwe mula kira kwan every day make catch say odi ama 9 o'clock e be ba 12 and answer 6 eno nti na say ade nsan ya obonya me sobo a enye yi Franco Trading seven ka onema mienu bi miensa bi na afei what me who didn't say on your mudija one was Nokia, one was Samsung, one was iPhone, one was smart TV, one was tabletop fridges. Also, one was a Franco air condition ranging from 1.5 horsepower and 2.5 horsepower. Open CCTV cameras to Franco Trading for so be at home. My main numbers are from 0264 22338 0246422338 and I say 055-593-9311. Now what team Franco Trading for Etimedi a year Monkita home. Because of a ball on say if it's about Malta Guinness there, it should be Yankasia DNA logo farm Ghana logo farm Malta Guinness. Now you're boosting more with vitamin B ebeboa your immune system etimi agina. Reverend Akwaba
rejoso
bibia namne kwam
de nyame ayeni nyame adaroma enema akwanso adepanya chi enkon ade
okay,
that is the most important enipa abrabo because century bi eni ho so chen adesan ni adechen emu nheda ngwasa enso
nsem doso
pa $7 panty. Nyamina dena say constituency so me chia hwefo ne etie force so na nanom ne ade hye. Voter transfer that so koso. Basing of people go so ye adwuma. Na me message am me woma me constituency for nyina ne say enka ye na ebetimi akopɛ sika. Say bosia kra e basing kofo na e de o ma ba so matchro wudi nto aba mfama yen. Ne mo me de me prefer say de me wo bia me de be puntu dwuma be bibia me nipa e wo so eden. Enya so emfaso na mo ama decide say mo pese me ba be di monima mato aba e de ama me enti this time round no me say na nanom ne ade hye nyina ensori nyina ne yankuntia foreigners a e ba yen pesua so me because me
kuntia transfer ba o kuntia ahoho e ba mo hiem
of course
e pese e decide or can you for
in terms of audience yeah because cobra dey say wo free ho na ti ba bi na wo ba beto aba ho a enya bone company for say continue na chi na de eko efie so fie say ba adwuma wo ye nti say ya ban adwuma wo ye company adwuma na wo ye o say wa akra wo adwuma bi na bi a wo ye because minim one man bi a wo adwuna ho or ye mfantini but we organizer na what kronum for many years to abaya part of the can say nipa e wo kronum oto aba wo ha boni ni because oto aba na wantu ye a hu susan so den on so e bi kano ba oto ne papa so a hu susan so e bi kano ba obi a sabe nye say wo ho umfiri ho onya abanye dwuma wo ho onya wankasa so adwuma wo ho na yakọ de ka akosi tema Accra Mampong Kumasi Tamale Techiman and Kransan and other places na ye ba so mo de omo ba enya de papa say ye soso na mesre say ya ye to aba no mamu fo no aye wo kronum no na kronum fo no ene ye se ye tinta su ko kire omo say ya mpene masane ma na den enkoso ti to aba no what ko betia no ne ye say nipa sen no obetimi de omo ba be do so ache nipa e wo kronum because the last election, Nipa to about almost 31, registered about 31,150 or something. I'm not sure it will be able to be more than even 3,000 crab or even 5,000 crab. That's why the 5,000 back. I be decide elections for you. That's all bad. The responsibility in your constituency, I am conformed to one because on top of no winner. The next election, when you're conformed with me, win. Inti the wenya won nsem say odi empuntu dwuma de boa manfo no yesa odi sie twen the next election na otiman ko ba sen ko for den e de o maba ti mesre mamo ma ne nyentokwa me hu say de kakra ba na yi the only thing am betim de a che o ma na say mo beto abati o mo to abati o ma next time onye bi o hu say wakotwe nkofo aba ba kwabran wa boka na yanto ama na Obasan ye biem.
There be onye biem.
Onye biem. Te niema kase cost of transit airtime. Airtime an opportunity to abasing for the Oma Bishop. Na so o me register and to about a certain candidate.
So the MPP and this no more decide you now.
Of course, MPP and this and what kind of crap more than MPP for.
No,
yes, in my me constituency there, me to kind of other the kind of areas, but in my constituency there, MPP candidate, you know. And
almost any part of touchy man is baby.
I mean, Accra, Kumasi, Mampong, Techiman, even in Kranza Krana, you know, Mboshé. In Kranza South, in Kranza North, they didn't go for film Kranza South, Adom Mobile Kranza North. Now, the other name who say, I mean, they go out and say, oh, we are popular within the constituency, now when I pay me, so why are you bringing foreigners? Are we all free constituency? If indeed, if we say Ampa, and go for no pell, or Mamu for no pell, you deserve to lead them. Why? And Alcofa will be for a free baby. And many people may decide who becomes an MP for the constituency. Because the decision is say anybody on your coins so we near. Now you come for the two Abamano, but foreigners letting a two Abamano. Into who is he serving? Or some more mobile and I was some more a constituency. Now, Cobra down or don't make come to me. Sabi, Sika editor and Namuino, and one editor at the number, because Cabian Hoya Trosso. Into near my Yamanami and Sasso the constituency in a ska. And Sika a basin for a DB show them each. Imagine it will be 1,000 people. Now, Cobra 100 cities each, excluding transportation, a dan channel. And quite 100,000 and I'm 100,000. So the transportation they count say even 120,000 cities krana. 120,000 cities bit me to ensure how many part of one you be 120,000 cities. A bit may be ama krumu for no nya so dey. Enfaso. Ah, o bit me gina so enam. Enfaso papa free ma benti.
But I don't know krumu for ni pa. We've not been fed with that kind of mindset and they say Obi AC Sebi 20-seater toilet facility.
Yeah.
Obi see a mini hospital clinic be. Obi see school dan be an extension of dormitories be. Obi pim say nika nebe door so many padu no etime. Obi pim say edwana agye egu no. Obi timi ahihye ni na afeball. Obi pere say lorry park ni nsu na eto ebro nipa bebe no. Obeye bia bi sonko a eno saa nioma no ya obi pere scholarships how do be piwo en kranza ho na nkwada no dodo na anim de etimi akonkan saa nioma no me kwamna sante amete busunya ne kranka ne de ka aka no we na me mehwe
that's a problem kwabra how I want no how can see I want
what banana asisi e no kasa wi a
ne kwakra de
250 ne kwakra no so I say that is where we find ourselves now.
I don't think I get baby because until say you benya adwensa channel. Cobra
who do that because anopena me ka ho asem say. Now we've become a country. Em say ye nyina ye gitum say yakasa. Ye nyina ye gitum say keta se ne pro ne de. Ye nya ya adwen say ibisi anokwan. Ye nyina ye gitum say ye mfa nhihye ngu akwam say ye sikasem ahoɔden against the dollar no. Hope be ho because enioma esese omamu no ye masa ahotoso ne ba no ye started one and yakodu two kwa na yakaze bia ndaso be ba in 10 or 5 ye nyina ye hu se eni oman na ngaza ni suade hunu no aye bibi basa ye nyina hu se mra pa friend mra echi nipa bi esese echichire omo ebi didem ena okwa ya resa bia yedum kanea eno na meka yedum kanea okolebu na generators akasi etu esi ho no enye adwuma na Ghana for no binom so nya akokodo we na also the break 8 no we na also person ba power job mama no it yanka say we don't want to be responsible so the levels of irresponsibility na atiafa bebia wo minim no how do we reset your mindset
correct
factory settings so
yeah the tiatia na tentin na ne say o mai bibia idea bato ene amanyosem dia abanya woteso eye nyina ye niema meye a ebema kwan mamanya atima winning in next elections now hwe se dia amanyoko for no how a almost restructure my campaign kobra edi winning elections se sa hoden no sa nimde ni nyansa no ka se se re chichire man ya ndi ka man ka ya sa se si ka se ye ba o mi atisi fam oh how one campaign how we see a structure a campaign and or hiti baby a ho hia baby okopia no we manyuni na enu na disvote abonte na say o di agro say oh obo ho afuru ipa no munya ya you are joking because the kwanya wa faswa wa structure a campaign anama wo tu strategically once we call ya baby odi ba be wie ne stronghold Ashanti region and the kind of near be na onye dada a they ban the campaign ma I must say wa be more popular than even his political party say the san hye no to ho say ye san near me so ma ye man ne fagana say ye dia no sure certain things go and cover because ne we share topic am ya do we have to discuss this say 118 containers I contain adro I mean can be binchiro na me ton yama ko Niger me kan Niger na enhye okro no mu no say truck entimi ntu from morning to 12 o'clock say oh yeah this trailers near you can't entimi nanti krom etiamra but with exception say aduane otso aburu a motorcade ne di wanim de ukọ to go and sell it meka aduane o aburu se wo so aburu a uduru omo custom yard na obekona buyer no ni motorcade ejina ho because aduane aye bibia ehun odin e wokro num we are talking about lives the leadership na wo hibiem say 118 containers of drugs that they be save ni pankwa aban anya bi o aban na nkasa ntimi ankoto bi amfa amra yen na ko abran pacho aban koto kre no na ba wan ne kre aban ko kre no na ba wan ne kre no
the government is doing business with government
so what's the issue here so we be an organization yin yem say but the no ba na ye transfer ma enu na expire abra na wo hospitals are joy for ye I think documentary be about in hospitals in Ghana. Any almost standard. I think almost about 20% out of 100%. You know? And you can even call it, I mean, a standard hospital. 20% out of 100%. You don't share because the man say, that's why maybe I political party in Tadin because I don't know. Party asem I want my party to come but niema enima manyosem enima manyoku na efa enkwa eni nipa hono we don't even care enti niema esisi no me hu say omanmufo no ya yankasa ina ma man say
but that's why because we should now maybe abandon the top and come to how we can become responsible citizens
because
that's all I think that's the most important conversation now
nan say me say na maybe on Facebook. So you say company be invested about 1.6 billion dollars. And a man a waiver of about $800 million. A man a tax waiver about $800 million. Out of 1.6, now I can say, I can 700 million. Okay, 700 million. No, and I got 800 million. Less than because we have 8 point something million at the mind. You know, let me say even running up 8 million. Yet, 800 million. Worth of tax waiver say the odi be kuro mu nyina do to asan ka utua me nya mining nya so fa so nyina na modwuma odi benti aye 1.6 billion no ya yibu 800 tax na wotua nyina de achew woni say SML ni any tax waiver omu generate income ma government of Ghana but omu timi tua equipment bi kwa 20 million Ghana cedi and so much clear na ya di nura ba kuro mu nuro drugs for many we MPP ni we NDC ni we debin o ko hospital you bisa party card but your ambulance that be emfa party card na fro ana me wa na yetimi atena se almost about 6 months ni who some so yeah ye discuss ya say oh yes o mo clear enuro no okay say ya discuss that one ya sent menya kokuduro atwin enuro bi aba bonten we only need 7 million Ghana cedis. 7 million Ghana cedis per report. I'm what am I going to pay? 118 containers of drugs. Ebe spy. Now me again mama because say you know say no anegu tema a medical store. Baby spy okay. Ya fe no nanko. Ye wi na say twaja to mu hye no. Ya kan because
yeah hu hwe.
Yeah basically what
yeah hu hwe.
E say twaja to mu hye no. Kwabrane atime hwe nyame anim onsuro wura nyankopon. Enuru edi be manipa no o ma bedodo na spy. We no say twaja to mu no pay the baby fire. Basi neck
so a lot of messages as I say but on the factory settings as I say come back as a country to reset the mind because and no maybe be attitude Dr. Kwaba no maybe be attitude o my timi have a whole discussion on obi o tini baby on was say okuta book no all the cassette here obi a wonim die na Ghana for this bi assume say sa book no hu hia che enim die. That's for another day. But our levels of irresponsibility, it keeps going to a heighter and check. Everybody will decide if been benanti naked or mining no more. If been befa yoko no shiana come na no boa sum no ja or no call. That's how irresponsible you are coming. Because what is frustrating now is that say obi adwuma crossing to bema nanado and as a John Mahama. And we've been with this lifestyle for years. The America sir. Even though there are a lot of examples, Doc Muniswabeka. Say, Yedum Kania or Kolebu, almighty Kolebu. Major plants may know see what it's not working. So, what people will be quick to run to do is say, we're not Muslim breaking 8. How do you talk about breaking the 8 when there are people mandated to manage that facility? You a caretaker, engineer, whichever one. So, that responsibility, no. What has that got to do with breaking the 8 or President Mahama coming? 2, there was a time many obi man probi was here for polyclinic, as a consulting rooms in Institute the doctors intimate. What has this got to do with your mama or Baumia? So me no metio as an administrator of the hospital or the facility, no, with all the entire team and all those things, we are waiting for when the health minister to bring us insurance, or we are waiting for President Akufo-Addo to bring us plywood or POP people to come and fix it. That's our levels of irresponsibility. We are deteriorating. That is why I need school. Doc, and there were a lot to say. Trying to bribe a lecture say, about the whole academic year. No. But only me in prepare family resource headache. That's how we are running the country now. I feel a hard dream.
So back and command me new OBD now you can about making Accra the cleanest city.
Yeah.
The first statement I made was that President was failing. And only I feel a year. Apart from say President no failing, near own to me near then I no cocaine. And where you name me no me so how are we contributing to make Accra the cleanest city?
That's what we've got into now.
And some no doors. No mind a year. Madam Fu, Dr. Yu, he owns a hospital. That was Tantra Hill. Tantra Hill Hospital. Is this St. John's?
School?
No, St. John's Hospital.
St. John's Hospital.
Go on.
Okay, yeah, my car, I always see us miss St. John's.
Enti, that hospital, no, Sikaka Krano Nyano. And the 20 BBR. Or say expansion. Machines are kasi awakoton one ko first can in few sebe onya oha enti it's absurd for us to be discussing say Kolebu.
I'm telling
plant. Adom
kania
onim so man mu na Kolebu board members am koto pijo brand new 7 brand new Kolebu maternity block na elevated to me say onim mama ka be benchiro or say man we have to begin to run the country like a business. Otherwise, let's forget about it.
We run it like a business.
We have to run Ghana like a business.
Of course.
So what I say, and yes, I can you to so obi ye nebe ye ada na ye de ye Africa world by how many years ni say ye adwuma Ghana we said any bu ye ka ye de choba because ya na ebu no Kolebu is a hot topic on its own. Kolebu pe ena yetumi ka se kofa sebe Jones obra en fa investigation na one we obe wura washroom wontumi nyonso no wapie
Kolebu
eho kan Kolebu hospital bonsi any other hospital that I know than any other hospital me makohoda
almighty Kolebu
yes Kolebu your man start here no pay because the bottom line me say let's just put two things in place: rewards and punishment. Na ya nhwe ni ya sabi omo ekun omo eye adumaden no we go and just condemn everybody, which is wrong. But omo ya ade a enye no, let's fish them out. Where's the leadership? Until we as chief executive. Na ya say elevator enye aduma, ya say plant enye aduma. Until omo ni planned maintenance structure. Because me baby am here aduma, you know, omo ba be service every month. Air conditioners obi aduma o ye no say time na so o hwe me ya be service. It is somebody has been fired. There's a problem no. Yeah, biggest problem is say omanmu ye wo dwanto ahene. Ye say the si ohene say sebi obi di nsamfu a ono ne be akogina anim apache wa ma no enti esasi ye hwe kwan ya fa so sebi be twi nipa so. It's a shame. Adima manu media I mean who enti amo cancer more katakata so. I don't understand what is happening in this country. What are you saying? Into who him say ndo na ye no e adima manu fort. And no me na me kan tell. One and minister for finance. One and minister for health. Now between health and finance no o man to be am say ye jisika na ye ji wo hwan ho aban ho. Ye tuas kan ma hwan. Please, this is complete nonsense. What are you talking about? It's nonsense. Nyansa bi ani. Aban Jessica ewo aban ho. No say dey atu aban ka. What dey asma make? What you say atirem tirem? Me menti ase. Now say aban dey atu duty no. Aban atu duty no atu ama hwan. Duty dey atu ama hwan. Enya aban. So what are you saying? Somebody has failed. Tell them in the face. Adman Manu is a failure at the health ministry. A dra wo esese wo koto wo enye scanto. Ye dey achew. Now some more there. You book 18 containers. Omo free press, extra pictures, extra video at the TV so. Really? And you want because I had to make a ribbon. KVIP near boy and some KVIP. And then you 21st century KVIP you trap. 6 classroom block minutes and a bit tape. Please. Now this is the better than this is a T-roll on there. So we are not serious. Mediocrity is what is guiding us. To mean to drone to mean to ya dia bechew and think what stops the chief of staff so offer finance minister momuko yinro no chief of staff want to mean ya dey tell me finance minister say sika na nka modi am de bre on mine no me na me on mine sika so health minister what stopped him from going to liaise with the finance minister say sika na ye health minister ye nibi I was say ban na niba muso mu nibi nti eno anu ye ko yinro no what I say is twen aban ye kra VAT ba ye to duty
aban hihye
aban ekra VAT ba ye to duty
insurance kwani ho
what you say I dey tin enro na ye to duty because edro no me no won ye dey breye say enro no say a seat of government and ka won ti ho asem ke beyi. And this is what the people must begin to realize say omo dey ho agro joking with us
but agro dey dey so anye papa beti
and me say the people are not angry enough. Imagine what stopped you and I? Son of pay. You call Gina Jubilee House anymore. You top placard. I just on boy. See, I say, if we want the drugs taken from the port, or man found quite everywhere. You think that nobody will act? You think so? Please, people must begin to act. Move down for the ministers. They say, "Okay, boyfriend." Say it is a shame. Me, I'm ferry. There are things you cannot do genuine. What you say? Me tia o ka se me host me to me here. Me ya enne se ya ka se me san ko school go science me fail. That is on my field. I struggle to pass. But near you obi adwuma no nye. Se mo bobo say obi abobo ato atwe na mo di na temebo. Because any profession, one no see and what trainings obebo. Into one money here. I didn't know obi say or no be politics or administrator or a minister. Ah, 77 masoya machifo ko yaduma. Ni atimi income tax 25% near the Tuanaka. Adimamenu. Wherever you are, you must bow down your head in shame. You and your deputies. You don't deserve to have been paid. Please.
chiro command Ministry of Finance omo na delays
omo try na ye dem be bisa wasemo me say ne bad hospital na duro na ka ho anka won ka sa ansem nu na o ka kire no o try na ye de o try na ye de which other steps did you take? I feel pained. Said only biefo na bebre na mre bi beba no de adro ne bre on man na expire o san fa disga fa biombre.
That's what they've threatened. That's what they've threatened.
They have to just cancel it. Ni anyina ya mre. What I said, that's what we want. That's what we want. Some malaria kuye. Ya ma unro. And who is holding who responsible? Speaker of Parliament, the Duma Pan is saying, what is he doing? Is that not their work? And your Parliament also holding the executive responsible.
We are not even supposed to get to this point because if we had a strong
they are not working. But somebody else.
Who raised the issue be that if the office of the Chief of Staff that
they have the clout, they have the authority.
If so was our impact now.
They have the authority.
If so was our impact now. And can we not maybe seeing or hearing what we are saying?
No.
So it tells you that one of the challenges.
Chief of Staff, no, 2 deputies.
But that's the problem that we have. Because he liaises between the presidency and government ministers and intervenes on some of these matters to save the situation.
Yes.
I think the weakest link that we've ever had in the office of Chief of Staff, and this office of Chief of Staff, it's a very weak link.
Yes.
It affects a lot of things that are being done.
Check. This Chief of Staff, I'm sorry. Nkoye, I'm sorry. No. I'm saying, sorry.
To move away from, say,
oh my now team now, your friend Ghana. Sabi, ya fan for mo. Some people died though. Ebi mo wui. Ansa na yebenya fa hodie no. Ya nya no sa akwawo. Some of us, I think it's about time we made the effort to also sacrifice. Say yemfa ya humma for ye. Na obi 3 ye ne ya. Na o pe malaria du anom no wanya bi na owu a. Ya me be bisa ne kravi mo ho. It's painful. Ebia me nyame adom ti. Bremensi am this year. Ebia me nyasa ma ho odin o. Ana me nyansa nyame adom ti. Ebia me wo malaria metumi atodu anom. Na ne onya no so e. Let's think about the weak and the poor.
Doc, now
ministers are here ko wu abrochire do maba. Ana omo nkokolebu. Ana omo yare omo nkokolebu. Yenya die ni ye. I'm sorry, but it's insane. As my year can over say entiase wo. Ya be che wodru, adru a ye de ache wo. O say engu port na empro ensen. E na adru no so bi hia no manya nkwa.
I don't know.
Well, should this be a topic? And can not pay you so to it. Near me, expect this baby some say, Doctor, who you queerly, a crime ban, a year fast was on mine. You bet me a young free and that's what I expect you to ask me.
We are faced with employment issues.
We are faced with a lot of Doctor.
Discount discount will be say $12 million. Yemfanya dam. Now insure na air sonny guno. Yemfanya dam near the year. Blog back now.
Or this can you
Nay, be so be or say, ask the auditors. Oh, goodness.
Yes, is here. Obi share odiatem. Because the doctor can em favor na manyuku. Nti o say yes suma manyuku, yen suma man. Say ye start say ye be suma ye man. Sa ansem fun we bi nsi bi. Because even my shebe you me pressure me ko. Na manya kwanya be som me manfo. Ebetima live above among political parties. Na ma dwen o man ho a. Hwe say e ba say ye kan bibia ye partisan. Okay, say the Indian our parliament. We hwe passion. How obi ma aggressive. Na it mean to say blows quite me dey. E cost. Just because ye elect will be I'm not very speaking to you.
E do time a ye approve car loan na ye mowa.
It be yi na pa say o man inuru a wo ene me. The doctor can say obetima to be. Which back hospital? Dia na baby I say ye dey ko no. Hospital dey akọ. At the time na fi na wo be ko abontia kwakoto. But the drone e hia dey ama ho no e bi ni ho to be wu. You can even have the money.
Usika no be wo kwa.
Usika no be wo kwa. na nyansa ben na what sa asem we mu say ye discussing nuru a mo dia be chain na yan kwa kotompo de nyansa na wo sa asem a kobra ye timi a say ye sky train ground train kwa timi ye sky train am obi sika $2 million ma akam ye hu be nipa nafa $12 million joy for call polugu $12 million no ese chippings na wo kran dia I ho wo say wasans aton chippings na ma krom for no kwa chippings o mo be go on ko mo tonton ni na kra so like okọ empty many else in Kasai he told me about the report that joy I na ye per 7 million Ghana cedi na so obi say kraman de say kraman kan yonko kraman say aban na ye gi sika na de koma no na aban na odi sika bra me say o timi ma waiver ma obi waiver say wo aduma wo ba millions of dollars
but dollar fia bi ehia ma ne man no
de ehia ma ne man anka ni kwa say kanipa kwa de bank e sa bodwa kwa koda na se say bo wada ro meburu de say ka ye ntima nye cause we bema now you head of a family responsibility over here you know manyasa
correct
when ntima anye so obi dum na oboa fa waduma ya aseda na de komano the reason why they dan nyame say every day ni say yan kwane yintimi mo ho ban nyame ne bo ho ban ne ntimi so ntua ho ka enti ye de ho aseda koma awurade say wabo yan kwa ho ban na ye ni sika nke de betua ka na wa makoya ma yengu obi asesa niema agegu ship
ba areho
straight one to straight to
when say kofo no de omo threatening no enya mo nya san kofo no be affect you ebe ma other donor companies ni na be say oh munim yes responsible unim nyansa so responsible no kwa de eye but unim nyansa because unim nyansa kobra na odi kaka onyame timi ade nyina ya bado onyame onsa jimie nipa wa jimie onyankopon timi nya ohwe na we ejimie mu ejimie at the highest level say you be discuss in nura ye dey be check oman no for free na sort of kind minua
mon check say vehicles are here na ban for the past 1 year wakra omtu ya duty omyehun documents what you say ashen dodo a yakra ma oman no all the state agencies are here yakra ba tie tu ya duty omyehun without vehicle you can walk but without drugs you can't so we don't even know what is a priority that's where the pain is
unim say na no me kokura bi na ma bi ka chem say honorable nyame ado be wini na wini akai say ye tie kura se ba ye nti wuram tio o say nyame ado a obe wini na wo wini so akai say ye tie kura se ba ye nti wuram but Ghana ye behave say ti wuram ye nti kura se kura wuram so when Trump go can be for Africa hona omuti ono mukika kam ni I mean no kura ne kanya di but the ya because asem we which country and asabi nipe wom sabi o ya dwen ye adwuma yie a ye be decide ye be discuss enuru a ye de aba be che free say ye mfa manipa nkwan ye prolong life wonim say bass inside be krom ina no ni na bebre don say be o say nyame na ye adoma ka nipa bebu edede because kwale boss ma okan say ya run Ghana say dey run the business o okan ya me yonko hospital the hospital on every day be am kubia na expansion na okren equipment for them eba machines ba na a whole kwalebu te se kuru etumi ba se generator kuru ni ho asai yenye ni yi
kwalebu lab kura ya running
na
ni training lab technicians o monti asem na si o hwe kwalebu is a teaching hospital ehon ye training doctors o answer na be from medical ehon ye be training right lab technicians ye training o mo kwalebu adenti akolebu lab enye adwuma na wo wi aka ye se abontin ho enye fe so na se
all left no
on na kire o kire wa se doso o kire o particular one ni interest ne say adena akolebu lab enye adwuma because that's why you are supposed to have the best
well
me see you talk me dwene kwan a me be kire kwan e fa so edua gburo obi a kire o se na edua bode ye nka ho asemo nsu to you had the atma you cannot.
Tell you pay money. Because I'm
dying of hunger. A common dinny palm will be a crow trying also. ekom yenim kwan ya fa so a brought me to from na no afifi ye nwene kwan no ho kwan ya fa so a ye bedua nuane na nka abro so papa grow what you eat and eat what you grow sabi no nye masters in agriculture no nye masters in agriculture o say nia ye di no ye nua nia ye dua ni ye ni check Ghana's GDP under his leadership go and check so what's up there. What are we doing to ourselves? Mopa ye kraba o man mu anyame Adom wo de fa new adibiase kwan so here emo baby abedua bia ye there was specific areas nsuo ni asase ni nyame ada romanti enke betumi adua dodo hwe pineapple is central region na hwe mango kwan so kwa dodo wa kwan so here hwe watermelon na what me no te ha ma ye kra fruit juice ye kra fruit juice. Oh, nyame wanye ye dey.
Esen dey crowd e tufo bo. Aduro kwa we no cry e report.
Me say oman ye be oman na duro. We sacrifice it. We will. Ya can okra we speak truth to power. Ne we ye na ya ye beka. On your program I mentioned, look at this young guy. I never know his name because we use nickname. Say State House, what's his name? My friend say State House. Virus. I don't know. So, who ye my papa, Brantia, who ye my papa. For Udibra and young one, who see from virus. Virus had the papa. When this guy came, State House was collapsed. Now go and see State House. State House. Here, Ghana Post made the only thing I find in my box. I am a bill. Ghana Post was gone. See Obo. Let's begin to identify those who are doing good. Let's encourage them. Sabi nya boni kwa na yehu omo ya ade na mo mudin ye mo mabaso no mo nya ade no so ya mo hu say sabi Ghana na nye work and pay Ghana enye work and pay so what tare poster wo sponsor campaign inti kwatran on didi no.
Okay, so ye be kwa ko twa ye ho aba na pay my quiet because so you wanna amemi angazendia na bezem yesterday kaka ya na manu akoji meka.
Oh my Mr. Speaker of Parliament to answer now so call you Mr. Speaker say obu twa roto mu no kan ho asem enu na aka ho no ka den.
Okay,
ask him.
Okay, so ye be kwa ba there will be us in the next 15 minutes. We are wrapping up. A lot of you want to join the conversation. Memoir phrase 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. But my main car say open Nokia and Samsung and iPhone and a smart TV need tabletop fridges and have a Franco air conditioned CCTV camera. It should be Franco Trading Enterprise. 02 46422338 and 055 593 9311. Now what you want Edding Kita home. Now if my car say continuously patronize our made in Ghana products, Malta Guinness, now enriched with immune booster vitamin B, baby a drink just to quench your thirst and to get your energy. It should be Malta Guinness. For Ghana, a sense of Diano, a famu. Beka and common who to say on 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. Some of your text messages are about my main king kind of quickly. Now if you bring back to the studio. Studio make out say Dr. Benjamin Ochri ewa hasan so na Reverend Charles Ususu ewa anum say Reverend Anna and Kranza North.
Na ye no so ye nchi aso ye ka say edaha. O say da baby a.
Ah, okay, so edaha.
Da baby a.
Edaha.
Da baby a.
Edaha,
esa da baby a. The reason in answer ye to ba say onyame nyansa mu e bia na ye raba omia. I break it so the MPP for CP. Me independent candidate. Now me serve minority in government than some serve majority in opposition. And now the abembi obebia no say Yoruba umia na win with even minority. I will serve the government of the day. Yewura Mahama so na nyame so de akunya be ma no with minority or majority, I'll serve the government of the day. Yewura ba umia we need with majority, I'll still serve the government of the day because yen so mo hin dada. On fufro ne som no. Na anika ani jesem ne se Kobra MPP ntimi nkroso nko NDC. Eba sa apagi se obaketi ne seat me by election because parties no dey call. Nti bo say yesi aye candidate or NDC. Ukobi se na o se na ban ni ho. So it means that we are wasting 4 years. Because na ban ni ho nti onya bi papa bi amfa mba. Ba media aban wo bia no ye me maban. Efi se me suma ban no. Me nsuma manyuku e wo ma hye bim. Nti omo to obama me asa excuses of maban ni ho nyina to dey betwa. Nti na media me da benkum me san mi da ni fa. Eda ba bia. Ti Yewura Mahmud ba umia wini a me da no so. Yewura Mahama be wini a me da no so. The key point is that ni pebi papa bi akwa me manfo.
Tu rama shibe yama edaha
baby ada. Baby ya. Ana masa catch me constituency for say. Say to obama MPs na.
Na when this slogan na ma.
Hey nyame. Eda baby ya.
Emuda ho.
Eda baby ya.
Edaha.
Yes. Kobra me Carlo na de be ma me parliament no. De better grade am me transfer for.
But was amongst all the potential pieces, you know. Unko na wafa won say nyame page wasi parliament wa sha say keka woni so ade.
Of course. The top grade am because here constituency. Eda baby ya. Eda Adom FM. Eda Adom TV. Eda
Edu obi a. Doesn't matter NDC
no. Eda baby ya.
Ani e omuntu aba no.
Odi ase. Ti omuntu aba na.
Eda
omuntu aba no ma baby ya.
Me nko na me candidate metimi di MPP NDC but the same place mo betra city ma no masem. Because the NDC so, the MPP so. Na obetra ho a who difference be a o.
Wow.
Obi an kan so we MPP ni we NDC dia. Ye ni papa akon. Nti me eda candidates kura no contest me kura na e san da o so ka ho. Odi ase.
Edi na tietiem ni say omuntu aba ma Revenge so. Of course. No me ye efa kwanza no.
Yes.
O man o say ye na ekoho.
Ye be ko. In fact,
as I say,
even before I get there, and I think that people of Brown for there, say open, Yemubia ate me on all occasions. Yama Brown for Abaye Yadesua. And this sports guy here, I think, referring this sports Obama,
yeah,
and then your good self,
yeah.
And lawyer Nana Obri boy,
yeah.
You know,
Abronya
kwani or too high. Nana Obri boy, even though MPP, he cuts across nicely because or shape ponumache, and we have very, very good people.
Lawyer or what the chairman, Usuajiman.
Yeah, Usuajiman. No, almost carry Bono half for Nankasa before it became Bono Eastern half. And so once in so I hear Jumao. Techima ni say in Kranza na yeshim na say am tell say dey connection am ya to South yeah, so Times Square dey agoro ho a choba bia didi o wa, so when we also come back to fee dey ka say fee ni fee nti ye begina ye ni aso for you should understand ye pa the papa na be fee because sometimes ya yiri ye ho a ya kan di for do na aka bon ne afo any Bono East ashe if you are not careful. And that's why I need to be brave and bros. You know, because okay, say unipa building capacity in Bronga half 1 year why you actually. I'm talking about you in army and Sakabo Mazana, a Kufuado Abai and a Kufuado Abai this the needed a year for development and other opportunities. We need to set up, and I'm happy with the slogan Edada. Well, that's the mindset we have to elect people with. Eda okoha eda enti obi timi gina Nkranza North enka say sansa had ye tuma NDC ntino oba no the grader na otoy no odwi MPP fo nko akwa MPP fo so timi kaza say kaza ko ni NDC fo na twibom enti oba ni grader no edwi eye NDC fo nko akwa so who Nkranza North there I am here and Ahombrase I fully endorse eye era Reverend Charles who say onon kamesrese or sefata in times like this. A bribia ni nipa ye kendifo. A bribia any o kendifo a oyame yinima ekuru ana oman ana sempeso aso. Indeed we dey di kan wo me dey oboni se adwuma no. me team ahana sen ka me transfer me team pine me team sa space no me team nyama se Awurade mana kokuduro from puntu no kuredi enyuma mu na ofan de waka intimi mbrem obi na obeti matata no na enye sama
utim ni nyina na ka we nyina
kan nyina because if you say one we obesa koduro no na go fan sent me team sana me sisa nyame nyoma gunu so sa
and you deny access of the evil one.
Yes, we are not what we were stealing with muja no na o maneko
Reverend Benjamin
Asante da Kasim say
we got your me
good you too Kasim.
I'm going to make a tree in Kransa South.
Okay, Kransa South.
But the chair, Reverend Chat, and Doctor. Or mine was here, Chiao.
Yeah.
Doctor, and I'm a pay my dream Mama, Ghana for any other pa. Now, said the doctor, Cano. Yet in beyond your better say, you begin dependent to say, now come over source. Now, and a moontoon office would be a shade, you should not say your yellow. You may because Ghana, I said the or can be busy, you begin the we are, we are Ghana, the hero. Ye chili banos, I was saying, Yedia, I don't like to follow something with a sweet daddy, at the editor. Now, my idea about I am better having a Saturday. Ghana is a memoir I could see. I am a United India, because you know I want to play TV. I am on central for I am on your phone, but now. No more can't simply not say, yes, I am on your more movie. Adia no see na adia no tie na o maki kan tin bia na o ma for mu gwedi na o ma soro ko ya kire mo
okay
enti de no be sie da mu nyina
okay yes sir that's ma me fa we so ma wo so o pian edium na o sere onyame ahodi ngu yeso enye adwuma ketwa di hu se ofisi ya de kase ne tintin na ye we dia dia no akaye e kremuni akaye on pa bom o ye ai Kristo ni akaye o ye traditionalist a ogunsa kaye enye joke we dey o hwe motives keke by nyaj maketwa modaroma mama me fa friend you apom ti say
hello
apom ti say
nyame Adom mama hene
good patriote you
ano pay die boko me da mo se ni mo tuma pa mo na ma tem kakra ne se atin di tambo na na die omo onyo me program yi omo enye politician tana
Dabiu.
Dia dia mami di tata no. Edu tambia na ndisini MPP no. Abeji program na bosu sa omo kagana temu. Omo kagana temu. Omo mba ide. Itu de Ghana pa semu omo yere. Omo kanon. Ti me ni aje, ne je ni aje omo pa. Me da mati.
Ego da sipi. Me ma wa che. Apom ti say wa audio patro ma che.
Hello.
Na apom ti say
Good.
Yes, sir, Dr. Bempando.
Dr. Brimpon and
yeah,
I know.
Me a heba doctor. Now, I'm not pay many ajepa. Doctor na what you want, no correct, no someone I walk many ajen. If not say any petty say, a woman. Yeah, na matter is soft will be. What preacher will say, I'm a friend, Minano. And some say, be prepared and walking. Doctor Yamishra Water.
Amen.
Yamishra, papa. At the only you be a more bamu. For my hand, at my throat, be a fro for me now. And I'm a young manager. Yeah, I need to program Hopa. Cause when Yaku could do a movie and home. Prayer, Juma.
You do anybody now. Bagajo don't catch up there. Anybody there. I was saying, baby, I was even so anybody knows. So anybody.
Of course. Anybody. That's
your favor. Anybody.
Hello.
I was just say.
Yo, but I'm Kazafi Kumase.
Good.
I'm Kazafi Swami.
Yo.
If I tell me, Chapa, one is in a tour, me Chapa, in the Medina, me follow the program. I had your pa, the music, uncle, so now you're sure, sir. Independent now, paying a meeting in Saveka.
Amen.
Nothing so, may also, I'm actually Dr. Bawumia, and nothing of Baba, and no credit about this time, master, businessman, crazy crap, me MVP, but I ain't come up with
and then don't I need safer in new Panama. This so bad shop here. You come
on, deal in safer.
Yeah, be about being because no matter what thing. I must say, no man, it's me. It's no man. I'm saying, because some other man, you be on power or some no more win. No clear about mine. You see from grass, yeah.
Okay.
From me,
okay, so that's Yebusia. A lot of messages about Logic of Shortshire. Hey, I say, Chroma fees one again. I'm going to say, it was Adom.
I'll Uncle, maybe I will be a channel. Or ya dear mammy, Maminka. Yeah, Miko Kepkus. And I'm a friend who my bar made Chiano. Now me Kodabe be Sebi. Or friend was it Debbie. On my min Kodabe be a Minkodan hotel. And no Kajames and do hotel harming friend. Sana or that. Me do one who from the dada, me do almost only the torture. And the kind of treatment they gave me, who go apartment. And the open here, Lotte Jacobs, maybe I will be a Yamishra. Who's the media of Frame? We are Papa, Rebecca, Sabi, and not me near the young man, but Odoni, I can't or do receive him. You see, I never saw him, but he made sure that I was comfortable.
All right, okay. So, John Twa. Oh, in Shire FM. Yeah. Also, chairman. Yeah. Come on. Sister, or see me teaching a machine. Myself, Kufad. And I may you. Not the and as already present, you know. Wait 1 second, Ben. Yeah. See, you know, it's all about Ghana. Yes. Yes, you need baby. Yes, and share any baby. You need baby. Baby, anyone at the chain, Ukrum. Na enema betuma ya just start fi yan ayeso. Yeah, so. Say start say you change your attitude. Yeah. Di bia ye pese ye bia nyamenti ye betuma den a achieve. Na mede nkutu sre. Ene a chopper. Ama ye wura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Ya ma me frima. Ne kesi pa enkoma Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency the President. Say ofa afra na o kan say obebo nipa nkwa ene ajapade e ho ban. O say nipa nkwa ene ajapade e ho ban. Because bibia ni ho amu du chen nipa ne nkwa. To wi fa nipa nkwa firi wa na ye hwehwe ajapade den achi. Nuro e ye nkwa. Nti sa ensi na odigina simpie so e kan say obebo nipa nkwa ho ban no. Mesre no enkodu say ochena e bedu by this time no. Now we usually to me as on mampeni. I'm a new I see a clayfy pot. Tomorrow by this time. Yeah, to me a year reporter there. I'm a quiet my nipa in your sweating and for so.
Dog. Nanka can say what I'm ready, sir. Me tufu, me papa be waka baby. Yeah. COP and the coffee or say police need you, young fan kuma ponchi. Young fan chensi akoko. Enti service say wunnim nyansa. No, we be catch you say, oh, yeah, I'm saying, no, who's so genia kwa attacking her. It's on to you. So, you need you. You're infantile, friend. And also, once a maba. And I'm coming back. But quickly, I said, the guy has come to say, a minimum, a what is the imposters. Yeah. You call was an it, you will be. Almost a slap one time. No, my bad. Afterthought. I think what I don't know. Okay. We'll be now coaching. Okay. Onka say ye.
The son saying that clearly it is not something that would be
arrested by now.
Of course, we are gonna need soldier ni. Yeah. Okretio. Essentially, soldier ni po even arm robber. Okretio no say that from.
Okay.
Right? Nyamute. Israwa. Say do anopa. Now sorry. Now crash e wo ko hin. Me ko adwuma. Say wo ko duru adwuma ma ye adwuma.
Mama Medase, wa oje brehwe Dr. Medase, Reverend Medase. The entire team, camera, sound, set designers, general lighting, makeup for you now. We are grateful. John Twa, Insure FM, Chiao, no entire team, David, and so Love FM, also much. Thank you so much. Sunday night.